This is going to be an overview of creating a GTC proposal in the ArborNote mobile app. Once you have completed a project and you have inputted all your client's information, make sure to double check that your client's email address has been added to the project before creating the proposal. Once those steps are finished, now you are ready to create a GTC proposal. We are first going to get started by opening our completed project and clicking the List View icon. This will show all the trees that you have inventoried and all the information for each tree. To create the proposal, go down to the GTC icon and click. This will be the main screen for your GTC proposal. At the very top, you'll see the project name. This top address will be your client's information. This information is pulled from what was inputted in the creation of the project. Next is lead source. If you would like to track the lead source, this is an internal field. You can customize your lead source in the desktop. Here are a few examples. Please note that you can also create multiple proposals from one project. Next will be setting your pricing. You can do this in 3 different ways: by hourly rate, by line item, or flat rate. If you want separate objectives, you can click here. If you want the location to show on the proposal, you can click this on. Grouped toggle is for grouping your species together. You also have a few map options: map with markers and ID, which is commonly used, map with markers and tag number, or mapless. Now moving on to the proposal note. This is where you will add any important notes for the client that will show up under the tree line items. If you scroll down below, you'll see the trees that you've added. If you see a green toggled on the side, this means that the tree will be added to the proposal, or you can toggle it off to not include a certain tree. Here you can add any additional cost or tax. If everything looks good and ready to go, next we will preview the proposal by clicking the top right-hand corner arrow. At the top, you'll see the name of the proposal, the amount of trees, the amount, date. Once created, ArborNote will assign a proposal number. Your logo will show here. Your company info will be here, and the middle section is your client's billing information. Lastly is the property location. If everything looks correct, we're going to click the disk icon. This can be found at the top right-hand corner. Once you have clicked the disk icon, you'll have 2 options that pop up on your screen. The first option is proposal. This method could be sent later via email. The second option is proposal with signature. If you are with your client and want to get a signature on site, you have this option as well. If you choose to get a signature on site, your client is able to view your terms and conditions here. This can also be customized. Once your client has reviewed your terms and conditions, your client can hit accept right at the top. And following, they can add their signature. Once the signature has been accepted, give the app a few seconds to load as it's creating the finalized proposal. If you would like to skip the signature on site method, you can click the save icon and email a copy to your client. Here is a look at what the saved proposal will look like. Anything below this address is what the client will see, and anything above that is what only you can see internally. And each status that your proposal goes through will be tracked here. And also, there is always a PDF version of your proposal at the top left-hand corner. If you would like to save and send your proposal via email, click the blue arrow at the top right-hand corner. Once you click this, it will automatically open your email with an automated template message that you can customize in the desktop. Once the proposal is approved by your client, you will be notified with the approved status. If you ever need to view these proposals in the ArborNote mobile app, you can find these in your projects. Click the project, next click the document icon. Now you'll see the proposals here. You can also access these from the main page of the ArborNote mobile app. At the top left-hand corner, look for the chart icon. And that is our overview of creating a GTC proposal. If you run into any questions, please reach out to our help desk.